Hey guys, you've probably heard someone say, "Oh, you work in IT? So fix my computer for me." Well, this is one of the biggest misconceptions people have about technology, and if you work in the field, you've probably experienced this many times. But is it just that? Does every technology professional know how to format a PC or install a printer? Today I'm going to show you that IT goes way beyond that. We're going to talk about the different areas within technology, explain what each professional does, and show that there's room for everyone in this market. So subscribe to the channel and come with me. The myth that IT is just technical support. Well, first of all, we need to dispel this myth. Yes, there is an area within technology that takes care of technical support, computer and network maintenance, and this is essential for many companies. But IT is much bigger than that. Imagine that the healthcare sector has doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, surgeons. Now think about asking a cardiologist to fix a tooth. It doesn't make sense, right? It's the same with IT. Within information technology, there are several specializations and professionals who work in completely different areas. The main areas of IT now, let's talk about the main areas of IT. The first and best known is software development. This is where the professionals who create the applications and systems that we use every day come in. Within development, we have some specializations. Front end. The front end is the person who takes care of the visual part of websites and applications, everything you see and interact with. You know that button that changes color when you move the mouse? That cool animation when you scroll the page? That's the job of the front-end developer. It uses technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue.js to create incredible experiences for users. Back-end now. If the front end is the visible part, the back end is the brain of the system. This is where the business rules, security, and databases are. When you log into a website and it checks if your email and password are correct, the back end does this. Some of the most used languages in this area are C#, Java, Python, PHP, and Node.js. Full stack. What if the person works with both? Then we have the full stack, which is the developer who knows both the front and back. He understands the entire functioning of the application, from the interface to the database. Database. Speaking of databases, this is another fundamental area within IT. Think of a database as a large digital file that stores all the information in the system. Professionals who work with this need to ensure that data is stored in an organized, secure, and efficient manner. Some of the most commonly used technologies are SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. Infrastructure and networks. And then there is the infrastructure and networks area. Have you ever stopped to think about how websites and applications stay online 24 hours a day? The infrastructure and network professionals are responsible for this. They ensure that the servers are always working, that the connections between systems are secure, and that everything is fast and stable. Without them, your favorite online game would be crashing all the time. Information security. Now, a topic that is super hot: information security. Every day we see news about hacker attacks, data leaks, and scams on the internet. And to avoid this type of problem, there are information security specialists. They implement protection systems, analyze security flaws, and develop strategies to prevent cyber attacks, artificial intelligence, and data science. And if you like mathematics and statistics, you might enjoy the field of artificial intelligence and data science. Here, professionals analyze large volumes of data to find patterns and make decisions based on artificial intelligence. The YouTube algorithm that recommends videos, ChatGPT that answers questions, even your email spam filter. All of these were trained by data scientists. UX/UI design. Another area that many people don't know is part of IT is UX/UI design. It's not enough for a system to work well, it needs to be intuitive and pleasant for the user. And that's exactly what UX/UI designers do. They create interfaces that improve people's experience when using a website or application. IT management and cloud computing. Finally, we have IT management and cloud computing. With the popularization of cloud services, professionals specialized in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are increasingly valued. Companies need to ensure that their systems are always available and protected, and that's where these professionals come in. Now you might be asking yourself, okay, but which of these areas is best for me? Well, it depends on your profile. If you like design and creating beautiful interfaces, you might do well in front end. If you like logic and business rules, back end might be the way to go. If you like analyzing data, data science might be a great choice. If you like security, then information security might be what you're looking for. So, in short, it is much more than just fixing computers. Information technology is a universe full of opportunities, and each area has an essential role to play in making the digital world work. And the best part? The IT market is booming. No matter which area you choose, there will always be a demand for good professionals. Now I want to know, which of these areas caught your attention the most? Comment below. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with that friend who still thinks that IT is just about formatting a PC. Thanks, and see you next time. Blast off.